Okay, you asked me for this topic for so long time ago. Finally, today I'm gonna break you down exact step by step how to find founders for outreach in Web3. Easy way and the hard way. And we will start with the hard way because what? Hard way is the way where you pay with time. You can always pay with money or you can pay with time in order to achieve the same amount of results. Now, if you decide to go scrappy way and you just want to start, you just need somewhere to start, you don't know what to do. First step, you go to the website like Root Data. It can be other website, doesn't matter. It can be DepRadar, whatever. Go to a website where you can find a list of Web3 projects. Find projects that you're interested in, like to sell to, for example, or to partner with. Scrape them into a CSV, so you should have a name and you should have the website. Then import the CSV into Apollo or Clay and enrich for finding founders. And Apollo or Clay will give you LinkedIn's, will give you maybe emails, maybe will give you Twitters, up to you. I don't know what it's going to give you. It really depends on how small of the projects you're going to go into, because the smaller the project is, the harder it's going to be for the Web2 software to find them. You need to find a Web3 software that will allow you to do this. Then after you have imported CSV in Apollo or Clay, it enriched you certain founders for specific projects, probably, let's say 50-50, let's be optimistic. 50% of your projects now have founders connected to them, their emails. But if you're just going to go and send them an email, of course, you can try, but that's not going to result you in a great reply rate. Even if you get to 10%, which is going to be the maximum, still from 10 projects, only one will reply to you. And this reply can simply be, no, I'm not interested. So you need to prioritize, though, that once you have a list of founders, you know the list of names, you know the projects that they're working with, you have information about their LinkedIn's and Twitters. This is the moment when you can go and do additional manual research for those founders. For example, putting their Twitter handles in Telegram and trying to see if there's anybody with the same Telegram handle, or putting the company name and putting the founder name together, trying to find the Telegram contact, because that would always yield you a better result. Unless you have a very good Twitter, unless you have if you have a very good Twitter, then you're good to go. Twitter is going to be enough for you. You can get with anybody you want. You can also do a fair good job with LinkedIn and the email combination, but again, even if you get to 10%, well, okay, then probably if that's enough, great. If that's not enough, then you need to go and try to do in Telegram. You can also watch my video about, it's called Ninja Telegram Tactics, how to find Telegram handles from people if you don't know them. Watch that video. The main thing is you need a Telegram handle of the person because it's a direct line of communication. You're basically surpassing all gatekeepers, you're surpassing all automations, everything, and you get your message delivered directly to the founder. Great. Now you have found the exact founder, you have his Telegram contact, you know that he's working for this project. Bam, job is completed. Or you can alternatively just buy and reach, because we already have the database, we already have everything for them. So check it out. It's called like this, and reach. So there's going to be a link down in the description. We have a database of 72,000 projects in Web3 connected to founders, from founder level all the way down to whoever you need, even if you need their investors, their marketers, their developers. We have those contacts with telegrams, and you can actually start finding them like in 5 minutes. So if you need more information on that, DM me. Otherwise, you can sticking with the manual process is also fine. You can use a lot of AI bots. You can use a lot of scrapers on your own. All of things is possible. You can automate and you can improve each way of the step that I've described here. If you don't know how, you can learn. If you don't want to, or you don't have the capability, or you don't want to hire somebody to do this, then the easiest way is going to be buying software. So let me know how you like this video. There's going to be more information down in the description. Put a like for the YouTube video, send it to your friends, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.